Welcome to your daily dose of Carolina bays. The decrease in effective population size for all regions in the Y chromosome graph starts gradually at the onset of the Younger Dryas 12,900 years ago. Then it dips suddenly and it continues to decrease well beyond the 1,300-year duration of the cold event. The increase of the effective population size is just as abrupt as the end of the Younger Dryas. The Near East and Caucasus region, in orange, recovers starting about 7,000 years ago, and it is not surprising that this area is in Mesopotamia, which became the cradle of our civilization after the Younger Dryas Cataclysm. The paper by Catalano goes on to say that low temperatures may cull males in utero and leave a more robust cohort compared with males born in years with warmer mean temperature. This means that a prolonged period of cold weather, like the Younger Dryas, could have had a devastating effect on the survivability of human males. The next episode has a surprise.